Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Evive Smoothie Cube. This is their Samourai version. I did one on the blue one, I can't remember what the name was, but here's the back. You guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. So it's got raspberries, strawberries in there. So we're going to open this up and put it in my smoothie. Alright, so it comes in these little cubes, as you can see there, separated. So I'm going to put a couple in my smoothie bottle here, and then I'll blend it up and do a taste test. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, as you can see, the cubes are in there, and I'll be back.